You grown up in a family, being Pradeep Kumar's son.
I was with Anand Bazar Patrika, The Hindu, then I was with C, I was with Sahara.
You've been in the industry. You come from a family which belongs to the film industry.
बातें चल रही हैं, let's see how it goes. But the length of the role, that doesn't matter. It should be respectful. और obviously एक legacy है, बाबा का नाम है. तो मैं कुछ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ जिसको देख के लोग बोले यार नहीं करना है. और ज़रूरत भी नहीं है करने की. I mean, God has been very kind. I've come across shows where you have big actors and they are also abusing. Not done yet. तुम गाली गलौज को कर रहे हो तो फिर क्या क्या? You should never follow any diet without a proper blood profile. Stress factor एक है. वो अगर आपको minimize करना है, just start exercising on a daily basis. There's nothing bigger than that.
Namaskar. Today we have with us Shiladitya Banerjee. He is a media marketing consultant, an actor, and a fitness enthusiast. I fondly know him as Rajada for many years, and Rajada, welcome to the show. Rajada, you have been being Pradeep Kumar's son. Actor क्यों नहीं बने आप full time?
शायद किस्मत में नहीं लिखा था. And secondly, well, yeah, it's a long story. I wasn't really kicked about acting as a profession in my initial days, but now I think बोलते ना वो कीड़ा कहीं पे तो जागरूक हुआ है. And yeah, I'm trying to do make a foothold. I've done some television shows on and off. Still waiting for the right kind of role to come my way. अगर होता है, it's a struggle here also, but ठीक है, जैसा है वैसा है, अच्छा ही. I started my career in ad sales. I was with Anand Bazar Patrika, The Hindu. These are the flagship companies. Then I was with Z, I was with Sahara. तो ad sales पे selling में काफी साल गुजारे and yeah, it was fun.
How did you develop the interest for fitness, and what does your fitness regime look like?
Fitness is something which again came in very late. I started exercising at the age of 52. I'm 58 today.
Oh.
And yeah, I started pretty late, and I personally feel I'm at a much better stage than what I was in my 30s. I'll be very honest, yes.
Okay.
I'm much more agile, I'm much more active, mentally, physically. खुश रहता हूँ. I think वो बहुत ज़रूरी है सबके लिए रहना. Whatever the circumstances, that is something which I have always been. All my friends and colleagues can vouch for that.
And where did you start from? What was it that took you to getting into this present lifestyle?
Well, I'll tell you about 4 or 5 years back. I was on 104 kgs.
Okay.
Yeah. And then it struck me, yeah, I should get into a proper regime. I started going out for walks. As far as diet is concerned, I have not been to any dietitian.
Okay.
See, you know what, Kamlaksh, you are aware what is good for you and what is bad. You know, it's all there.
Mm-hmm.
अगर जान के भी अगर मुझे वही सब खाना है जो गलत है तो फिर ठीक है, आपकी मर्जी. See, you know, it all starts off as an initiative, but then once you inculcate a habit, believe you me, it's such a smooth transition. मैं घर का खाना खाता हूँ, मैं बाहर का नहीं खाता हूँ. बहुत कम कभी हो गया तो हो गया. Mostly vegetarian food खाता हूँ. Even after being a Bengali, I'm not much into non-veg. I love non-veg. I'll tell you that, but I've restricted my intake. मैं refined sugar नहीं खाता. मैं processed food नहीं खाता. मैं deep fries नहीं खाता. घर का खाना खाओ. आप वही खाओ जो आप बचपन से खा रहे हो.
Okay.
सिर्फ एज के साथ खुराक को थोड़ा कम करो, कंट्रोल में लाओ, and believe you me, it works wonders.
Coming from a Bengali family with sweet being one of the primary things to start with, control कैसे करते हो आप?
कभी स्वीट टूथ मेरा वैसे था ही नहीं. सिर्फ जब मैं कलकत्ता जाता था, मतलब मिष्टी दोई और संदेश, ये दो चीज देख के थोड़ा वीक हो जाता था. हाँ, घर का बना आप मुझे दो, कभी खीर वीर दे दो, मैं खा लूंगा. But I'm not into the typical cakes and tiramisus of the world. No.
So, but once you start aging, what are your personal inferences on the affinity toward fitness changes?
See,
what is the kind of
with
thing which you
age
can
you
add
have to definitely, I think what you were in your 20s, you can't be the same at this age, in terms of activity you have done. तो बोलते थे लोहा चबा जाओ, ये खा जाओ, वो। हालांकि आजकल के बच्चों में वो नहीं हो रहा है, वो different। हम लोग जब बड़े हुए हैं, we never ate outside food, like okay, we had food, we had rich food, but they were all home cooked. बाहर का बहुत कम हम खाते थे। आई थिंक हमारे जनरेशन में वो इसीलिए नॉट आई डोंट एग्री टू द फैक्ट कि सब फिट है। आई नो पीपल हु आर यंगर देन मी और मेरे हम उम्र भी है जो दे आर नॉट केप्ट एनी कंट्रोल, दे स्टिल दे गिवन टू लाइक ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्राइज एंड स्वीट्स, दे वल्नरेबल, वो कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं। बट एक देखो, मैं इतना मानता हूँ, अगर मुझे करना है, मुझे बहुत जन पूछते हैं अरे तू ये करता कैसे है, होता कैसे है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, सब कुछ किया जा सकता है। अगर I gave up smoking, it's been 5 years, even in terms of drinking, and we have partied together also, you have seen, it's cut down now. You have to make those changes gradually, and believe me, वो हो जाता है transition.
But you being an example, what is the kind of advice you give to people who are 40 plus? क्या बताना?
मैं definitely कहूँगा अपना diet pattern बदलो, in terms of घर का जितना का, हाँ, stress factor एक है जो मैं ज़्यादा लेता नहीं हूँ, whatever the circumstances, and वो अगर आपको minimize करना है, believe you me, just start exercising on a daily basis. There's nothing bigger than that. 1 घंटा आप निकालो अपने लिए, आप वो, whether you go for a walk, you can't do it at one stretch, split it into 3 parts, keep moving, do some kind of a physical activity. Believe you me, you'll be mentally stable. See, we all face ups and downs. We all have, post-COVID especially, I mean, we have all faced the music. Nobody can say that we are the same what we were.
I've seen the change in you. I met you almost after 6 years.
Yeah.
तो आपने एक बात बताया before we were talking, like when we were talking earlier, आपने ये भी बताया कि there's something which is a blood profile you have to check when you get into a particular
That is when you are, okay, yeah, I'm coming to that. Like I said, मैंने किसी dietitian को directly follow नहीं किया, but yeah, it had so happened, I don't want to take names here, but my wife had consulted a dietitian, and it was very foolish on my part to follow her pattern.
Okay, that was for her.
That was meant for her.
Okay.
So I blindly followed that particular, like whatever she was eating. अब female body, male body, इसमें फर्क है। अच्छा, ये सब इतना पता नहीं था। उसके वजह से क्या हुआ था is that I had I think there was a corrosion on my ankle or something, and it's irreversible. And I had a uric acid problem also.
Okay.
So which was underlying for a while, but then that got further aggravated. I was bedridden. So then I was told by physiotherapists, see, you should never follow any diet without a proper blood profile. I mean, any responsible dietitian will always advise you to go in for a blood profile. And depending on that, diet or whatever intake will be set by you. तो ये एक चीज अपने तरफ से, लेकिन मैं इतना तो बोल सकता हूँ, आप घर का खाना खाओ ना यार, उसमें का कौन सा डाइट और क्या लगता है आपको? आप दाल चावल रोटी खाओ, सिर्फ आप अपना खुराक, जैसा मैंने कहा, आप कम करो, आप कंट्रोल करो एज के हिसाब से, एंड या रिफाइंड शुगर, फ्राइज, ये सब चीजें
अवॉइड करो।
लोग तो वही कहते हैं ना, एनीथिंग दैट्स एडवर्टाइज्ड नहीं खाना चाहिए। लोग बोलते हैं कहीं पे कुछ
तो पैक्ड फूड
अवॉइड।
So purely your diet is on home cooked food.
Absolutely. And then one more thing I do is like रात की नींद होनी चाहिए। वो yes. Screen time आप कम करो। You have to, like there was a time even during COVID maximum मैं 11-11:30 तक मैंने देखा है टीवी। कोविड के टाइम when all my friends I remember रात भर को हम सो रहे हैं, जो भी ऑनलाइन काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी कर रहे हैं, पूरा पैटर्न बदल गया था। We used to ensure by 11:30 we hit the set. कोविड के टाइम तो अब तो 10:30-11 बजे तक सो जाते हैं। अर्ली डिनर करने की कोशिश करो, 8 बजे हम खाते हैं। अब ठीक है, अभी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है, तो मैं इतना जानता हूँ भाई जिसके पास वक्त है नहीं है, निकालना वो दैट्स योर कॉल, बट जिसके पास वक्त है वो खुद पे फोकस करो. हालांकि सबको करना चाहिए, लेकिन जिसके पास वक्त है खुद पे करो यार. लाइफ it's good.
Coming to the media marketing part, I mean, what is the advice you have for older marketing professionals who want to switch to digital marketing?
Do they have any other options today? I mean, they have to get into digital gradually. But ये है कि conventional media. I have been very fortunate. I have sold print, I have sold TV, and I have sold digital also. Digital, matlab I have not been very active nowadays. Obviously, at my the kids. Digital is a very dynamic medium. You know, like it keeps changing very fast.
Okay.
Like print, एक transition होने में time लगा. हालांकि कोई इतना transition हुआ भी नहीं. Then there was television. Television में भी आज भी TV medium is very strong. I mean, you can't rule out television. You know, because digital में क्या हो रहा है? It's still trying to get a foothold. Urban strata में आया है, but I think down the line gradually it's getting into it. Long formats like OTT, it's become popular, but OTT again in terms of content is not family viewing, it's very personal. Like that also gradually needs to get more responsible. The kind of these are all my personal viewpoints.
तो क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ट्रेडिशनल मार्केटिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट डेड बोलता है.
मार्केटिंग तो खैर ओटीटी में तो मार्केटिंग का ऐसा कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. हालांकि आजकल मैं थोड़ा बहुत देख रहा हूँ दे इंट्रोड्यूसिंग. सी आई टेल यू वन थिंग, ओटीटी पे एंड जस्ट लाइक टू स्ट्रेस अ बिट ऑन दिस, ओटीटी और कैश, दैट्स योर यू नो, ये जो एचडी ट्रांसमिशन जब से हुआ है, आई रिमेंबर व्हेन कैश इज कंडीशनल एक्सेस सिस्टम. सो दैट्स योर सेट टॉप बॉक्स जो लगा है. हम लोग जब काम कर रहे थे मीडिया में तो उस टाइम पे बोला गया था कि सेट टॉप बॉक्स जब से लगेगा, यू नो, लाइक इट विल बी अ सब्सक्रिप्शन ड्रिवन मार्केट, देयर वोंट बी एनी एड, लाइक यू नो यू हैव अब्रॉड, इट्स पे पर व्यू, सो they are not dependent on advertising. And that has been going on for donkey's years abroad. In India that was a model because broadcasters were given a raw deal by the केबल ऑपरेटर्स एट वन पॉइंट इन टाइम. लाइक क्या होता था कि अगर कनेक्शन अगर एक घर पे अगर लाइक सपोज आपके घर पे केबल कनेक्शन लगा है तो वो उसको इन्फ्लेट करके 10 घर बताते थे. एंड लॉट ऑफ वो सब खैर पुरानी बात है वो. तो ये सब को स्ट्रीमलाइन करने के लिए दे डिसाइडेड दैट वी शुड हैव अ मोर ट्रांसपेरेंट सिस्टम एंड दैट्स हाउ द सेट टॉप बॉक्स केम इनटू प्ले. बट नाउ इवन विद एचडी एंड ऑल यू आर सीइंग एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड ऑल, आई डोंट नो, मतलब वहाँ पे भी चल रहा है. ओटीटी पे तो आई थिंक नेटफ्लिक्स नहीं कर रहा है, बट एक आध और चैनल्स मैंने देखे हैं आजकल एड पे डिपेंडेंट होना हो रहा है. मे बी दे आर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू गार्नर दैट. सी डिजिटल फ्रेम विल स्टिल टेक अ व्हाइल. इट्स पेनिट्रेटेड, it has definitely made a kind of position for itself, but yeah, it still has a long way to go. You're definitely this podcast and this is, I think, becoming immensely popular.
I remember 8 years back when we spoke, you said the phone is going to be the next medium.
Oh yeah.
तभी आपने prediction दिया था 8 साल पहले जब हमने बात की.
Prediction का मेरे भी बहुत गुरु बैठे हैं मीडिया में. We also but that was the future because gradually we saw that. I remember when I had spoken to you, YouTube पे भी तभी pre-rolls वगैरह नहीं शुरू हुए थे. There was this company I was consulting and I tried to introduce this pre-rolls through mobile. You know, they went to value-added services. ये जो ringtones वगैरह जो एक ज़माने में था, अब तो वो भी बंद हो गया because ट्राई के guidelines के वजह से. So there was potential in that. बट एडवर्टाइजिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से थोड़ा वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी वगैरह नहीं थी रिपोर्टिंग सिस्टम में, सो दैट मीडियम डिडंट टेक ऑफ वेरी वेल. एंड अगेन देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ ग्रे जोन्स व्हिच इवन आई एम नॉट रियली अवेयर ऑफ. लेकिन वो सब चीजें जो तब कर रहे थे, आज ग्रेजुअली अगर आप देखने जाओ तो एडवर्टाइजिंग ज्यादा देखोगे तो यूट्यूब में जो ज्यादा होता है. बाकी पर्सनल ऐसे इसमें तो ज्यादा तो दिखता नहीं है. सोशल मीडिया इज डेफिनेटली वन अनदर thing that has caught up. Social media is something जो हमें पता भी नहीं था उस जमाने में. अब तो सिर्फ एडवर्टाइजिंग और you know like television commercials के point of view से when at least I spoke to you. So yeah, times have changed.
So you know what is going to happen. The social media right now is almost in the limelight. How do you see the digital marketing changing over the rates and times. यहाँ से और आगे क्या हो सकता है मतलब?
इसके आगे क्या होगा? अभी AI आएगा, कुछ होगा
तो AI
होगा,
is the
पता
next.
नहीं. Yeah, of course, it's already next. क्या है? आ ही चुका है और क्या? It's like I don't know वो सिस्टम में बैठते बैठते कैसा क्या होगा. But yeah, आप देखो मीडियम में आप already you come across these. I remember I had seen a couple of apps where I think even I had used it, where you can put your face onto Sylvester Stallone or something like that. तो आज वो 2 मिनट के फॉर्मेट में है. What makes someone stop? Like कल मुझे दिलवाले दुल्हनिया देखना है and I want to put my wife's face on Kajol and mine on Shahrukh Khan. क्या बढ़िया है हुआ है यार ये तो.
मतलब पॉजिटिव है, मतलब मजा आ जाएगा. People will keep trying things.
अब नेक्स्ट ये सब ही होने वाला. holograms आएंगे. Hologram television has been in the queue for a while.
Okay.
You know, that is like something like a format जो आपके सामने. Hologram already तो बाहर तो यूज ही हो रहा है ना, like the transmitting जो हम Star Trek वगैरह में जो देखते थे, तो उस किस्म का है. तो टेक्नोलॉजी तो प्रोग्रेस.
Future is going to be big.
I don't know where it's going to be. It beats me at times. मैं तो कभी-कभी सोचता हूँ तो समझ में भी नहीं आता है कि किस लेवल तक जाएगा, किस हद तक जाने वाला है. बट इतना है कि भाई the way it is moving, it is definitely having a very strong impact on the youth today, especially because they know nothing but, you know, they're so engrossed in this entire thing. Positivity तो है, negativity ज़्यादा दिख रहा है मुझे in terms of.
तो negative क्या लग रहा है?
Negative तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो बच्चे यार क्या कर रहे हैं आजकल? उनका like I believe kids, they don't want to sit on the dining table without their phones. I've seen people doing that. I mean, ये कौन सा तरीका है? Parents बोलते भी नहीं है कुछ. नहीं वो जब तक content नहीं देखेंगे उसको वो खाएगी नहीं. It's not done. It's not done. This is spoiling the entire system.
तो क्या किया जाता है? Because see, you are in both sides of it now. आप physically आप अपने आप को active कर दिया at this part of time in your life, and also we see because of media thing ना, तो social media की वजह से
नहीं तो स्क्रीन टाइम रेस्ट्रिक्ट करो. स्क्रीन टाइम रेस्ट्रिक्ट करो. हम लोग को भी बचपन में उस जमाने में क्या होता था? I mean, see, anyway, there was no 24-hour broadcast. Today you can watch television, do whatever you want. As in those days, I remember we grew up with black and white TV, DDs. Your main window was from 6 to 11, and that also on selected days. Here's Lucy or Phool Khile Gulshan on specific days. Appointment viewing होती थी. But you know confined. So somewhere I feel you need to draw the line. आप देखो, आप ये करो, लेकिन एक टाइम आजकल के I've seen that वो हाथ में दे दो नहीं तो like as if you know like parents को भी एक relief मिल रही है. ये बच्चे यार they are engrossed with something and see it's I remember people coming to my place to party and all, and the kids walking with tablets. This I'm talking almost a decade back. Now it's gone in a different way. I don't know how. पता नहीं यार, ये बहुत scary हो जाता है कभी कभी.
See, in your career, what are the personal challenges you have gone through? I mean, you have different modes in your career. So, what is the personal challenge you want to tell, and what, that has probably shaped you the way you are today?
I'll be very honest with you. Challenges in the sense, मेरा जो challenge मेरे को जो लगता था in terms of work and all, I've been quite kind of relaxed and satisfied in what I did. I mean, no regrets looking at. But yeah, my physical appearance, that is again I'm coming back to. That was something I always felt with time I need to address. I don't know how to like kind of. It's like moments to
कोई tough दिन था, ऐसा कोई point था where you said, because it shaped you as a personality today. Because there were tough times. One is probably you had a health scare also some time back.
Yeah, that is I had an angioplasty in 2018. हालांकि कुछ हुआ नहीं था, मतलब वो precautionary उन्होंने ये किया था, but उसके बाद से I have become more responsible in terms of my health.
Don't you think कि सभी लोग अपने health को एक certain या तो keep it as the topmost priority in their life?
I think it should be number one. उससे बढ़ के कुछ नहीं है. आप पैसा कमाओ, जो कमाना है आप कमाओ, अगर health नहीं है, वो कहावत जो है health is wealth, I mean that applies all across. We all take time to realize this at a much later stage. Like मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं भी late realize किया, लेकिन किया तो हूँ. मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है.
देर है लेकिन दुरुस्त है.
ठीक है ना, है, बट लोगों को नहीं आता है, नहीं करते हैं. और आज के जमाने में स्पेशली it is required because see there is no communication between people, it's all chats and what I mean to say, मिलके बैठ के बातें करना, especially COVID के बाद. See, we used to party so hard at one point in time.
Right.
We are trying to get back into that zone, but somewhere you become reluctant somewhere, like okay, आज ऐसा होता है कि यार आज इसने बुलाया डिनर पे तो जा रहे हैं तो यार अच्छा जाना पड़ेगा. That feeling was never there earlier.
So even after COVID it has changed?
It has changed and definitely in terms of, see again, health also matters here. कि आप अगर एक्टिव नहीं रह रहे हो, कोविड के हिडन कितने I don't know, लोग तो बहुत कुछ बोल रहे हैं कि कोविड के बाद ऐसा ऐसा है, repercussions है, तो और भी ज्यादा बनता है कि हम we get back into our old roots. I feel that.
You grown up in a family being Pradeep Kumar's son. He was an icon in the 60s, 70s.
Yeah,
so how was it like, growing up and?
No, it was quite like घर पे तो कभी भी कोई फिल्मी माहौल था ही नहीं.
अच्छा नहीं.
Yeah, he was quite a down to earth guy. And see, when I was born like in the mid 60s, and that time he wasn't right at the top. In fact, like obviously we had started gradually switching to character. I think by the time I gained consciousness, it was the 70s.
Okay.
So he wasn't a superstar though.
But people knew about
Yeah,
it. There was still a fan following and all that.
Yeah. I mean, the kids can connect through his song. जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा. I think that's a landmark. I think उस जमाने में तो एक गाना आज के 100 के बराबर है. So yeah, he made a niche in the especially in the royal get-ups.
He always was known as
शाहजहां
king वाला feel उनमें था.
वो उनका, हालांकि उनके कमर्शियल फिल्म्स भी बहुत चली थी, पर he was quite popular in that particular segment. But yeah, coming back to it, घर पे कभी माहौल हमारा फिल्मी नहीं रहा है. अच्छा, और एक चीज है, बचपन से like I said, जो आदत पड़ी है कि भाई घर का खाना खाने का. My dad also, I mean, I went to him. He that point in time he used to be very kind of upset when he heard I used to eat outside food. He used to prevent me from eating outside. तो खाना भी हम जब बाहर खाते तो मुझे याद है 2 या 3 बार साल में होता था, आउट ऑफ विच एक मेरे बर्थडे पे होता था, हम बाहर चाइनीज खाने जाते थे.
अच्छा.
एक माँ के बर्थडे पे, एक बाबा के बर्थडे पे, ये होता था लाइक.
But you say in the 70s, 80s में ये ट्रेंड हुआ करता है. कल उन्हें इम्पोर्टेंट डेज बता, उसको तो ईटिंग आउट इज अ वेरी कॉमन थिंग आल्सो.
नाउ तो पता नहीं यार, तो स्पेशली ऑनलाइन आने से तो सब घर पे ही मंगा रहे.
So that
like when I walk out of the building, Swiggy's and Zomato's, just like everything is available.
That's I think it's time. Every time has its like हर वक्त में होता है. तो
हाँ, sorry.
Coming back to your dad's part of it, so dad put certain rules and regulations clear कि भाई ये.
Yeah, he was quite particular. उस टाइम पे तो लगता था कि यार he's nagging you or he's trying to. But today, believe you me, when I look back, God rest his soul, I really thank him. Like बोलता ना, he used to tell me one thing कि आज तुम समझोगे नहीं, जब बड़े होगे समझोगे. And you realize that.
हर माँ-बाप से 70s में बोलते थे. अभी भी बोलते हैं.
आज बोलते नहीं है शायद, मेरे को लगता नहीं है कि इतना बोला जा रहा है. Today, I'm not a parent, I'll be honest, but whatever I am seeing, and people are, especially parents, are just giving in. क्या करें, आजकल के बच्चे ऐसे हैं, आजकल, I don't know, terms like depression, aura cleaning. Depression मेरे को अब जाके पता चला depression क्या है.
तो aura cleaning बोले तो उसमें पहले नजर उतारते थे.
हाँ, जॉन्डिस हो गया तो वो सब हो गया. आजकल तो ऑरा क्लीनिंग, ये वो कुछ बोलने जाओ. See, it's surprising. You can't say anything. I mean, with due respect to everything. I mean, अरे मोटे को मोटा नहीं बोल सकते, आप काले को काला नहीं बोल सकते. आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग द फैक्ट कि भाई कोई मजाक उड़ाना अलग चीज है, बट इतना भी उसमें आप कंज्यूम ना हो. लाइक
पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट हर एक शब्द होना चाहिए.
आज हम डरते हैं कुछ बोलने में कि भाई किसको क्या ऑफेंड कर जाए कुछ पता नहीं. एंड एवरीबॉडी हैज अ वॉइस, एंड थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया में कुछ बोल दो, धम करके उधर ट्रोल कर दे, कुछ बोल दे. जमाना ही अलग है, तो डर के फूंक के चलना पड़ता है. आई थिंक इवन टीचर्स, colleges and all, like my wife also tells me that she's quite kind of reluctant or quite apprehensive about correcting someone at times. कि पेरेंट्स भी आ जाते हैं, उल्टा पेरेंट्स भी सपोर्ट में बैठ जाते हैं. हमारे टाइम पे क्या टीचर मार दिया तो बाप बोलता था और दो मार उसको. फर्क है. Like I remember once I told Baba I was upset when I was well into my late teens or something. I'll leave the house and go. You open the door for me. Go. कहाँ जाऊँ? पर आजकल के बच्चे I don't know. At times सुनने आता है कि वो वाकई थोड़ा निकल भी जाते हैं, बात करते हैं. See, times have changed. The approach has changed. तो scare होता होगा, I don't know.
And I think parents should get the base बनना बहुत जरूरी है कि at least activity रखो, because I think children nowadays don't go out to play either. मतलब ज़्यादा कोई
बात नहीं करते हैं, कुछ है नहीं. And एक जो I missed out, but I know a lot of things. Like when we were kids, lot of grandparents were around. आजकल वो joint families नहीं रहे, तो I think उनका भी बहुत योगदान होता है.
I think that is very important. I think then elder person being in the house changes
absolutely
the way
in terms
the children
of
are.
yes, the way your eating habits, your kind of perspective towards life. Because our generation, I'll be very honest, our generation, we ourselves don't want to grow up. Let's be honest. I mean, हम जब छोटे थे, हमारे घर में कोई 35-40 साल का भी आता था सफारी करके एक हाथ में बैग लेके, तो उन्हें लगता था अंकल आए हैं ये वो. लेकिन हमारे ज़माने में we don't want to get into that. I know about people, if like ladies wear sarees or something like that, ये क्या आंटी है? अरे क्या आंटी है तो है यार, तो अंकल आंटी बनी गए. But see what happens is when you yourself, which is good, अच्छी बात है कि आप physically fit रहो, लेकिन mentally if you give in and you are more accessible and see when you say that your father and son are friends. Believe you me, वो friendship sometimes it costs you also. It's not like that. You have to know that end of the day बाप है. वो respect आपको देना पड़ेगा.
Right.
But somewhere I feel today, you'll be surprised. I've seen some places where the kid addresses the father by name.
I think they say it is okay because they feel it's cool.
Fine, तो आपको लगता है तो ठीक है. Maybe I'm telling you, I'm old school. These are certain things I observe. I feel there's nothing wrong in it. There's nothing right also. Mid path में ले रहा हूँ. I'll be very kind of
because somewhere the respect needs to be there.
Absolutely.
Because the parent would definitely know a little more better than the child.
Definitely.
In any age, any time.
Definitely. लेकिन आज प्रॉब्लम ये हो रहा है. ये बच्चे तो बहुत खुशनसीब मैं बोलूँगा. हम बड़े होते हुए I remember even for night stays, being a guy, staying at a friend's house or going for a late night movie.
So no.
सुबह नो. क्यों नाइट शो क्यों? सुबह दोस्त के घर पे क्यों रहना है? घर पे जगह नहीं है क्या? Like I am telling you, लोग करते, but कहीं पे कभी लगता था कि ज्यादा भी हो रहा है, लेकिन ठीक है अपना करके. लेकिन ओवरऑल अगर आप देखोगे तो I think we got the best childhood. Balance. And our generation, like I say, our generation, believe you me, we have grown up from a gramophone to a smartphone.
Yes, the transition is being there.
ये हमारे पहला जनरेशन ने स्मार्टफोन नहीं देखा, हमारे बाद वाले जनरेशन ने ग्रामोफोन नहीं देखा. ये जो हमारा जो दौर है, we have seen everything, we have been there, done that. I mean, we are only extrapolating what we have done. आप गाने ले लो, आप डिस्को पॉप कल्चर ले लो, आप फ्लावर पावर, लाइक हम जब तो छोटे थे, जो वुडस्टॉक वगैरह जो रॉक कॉन्सर्ट्स, it's all been there.
You've been through the journey. हम लोग देखे and we have experienced all of it.
And we have experienced best of both the worlds, and कहीं पे एक responsibility भी रही है. जो आजकल प्रॉब्लम मुझे जो ये लग रहा है is responsibility in terms of somewhere the parents are also giving in and the kids are also like okay they have taken for granted, they are too sensitive, peer pressure is immensely high. ये एक चीज है, वो करना ही पड़ता है. हमारे टाइम पे peer pressure उतना हाई होता ही नहीं, क्योंकि हालांकि opportunities were also very limited, whether in terms of eating, like mobile phones. ये आजकल तो 3-4 साल के बच्चे के हाथ में मोबाइल फोन आप थमा देते हो, तो क्या होगा फिर? वो दुनिया ही अलग हो जाएगी.
You have been very socially active. You have been a part of one of the biggest Durga Pujo in Mumbai, and you are an active member of that. Tell me something about it.
Ours is one of the oldest pujas. It was started by Mr. Sasada Mukherjee, S. Mukherjee, who was the grandfather of Kajol, the Mukherjee families, and my father, Hemant Kumar, a lot of other eminent Bengali personalities were involved at that point in time. It's been over 75 years now.
Oh, the 75 years.
I think last year we completed 75 years. And it's by far one of the biggest today.
And very few, I don't think anybody else did the Durga Puja like the Kolkata Durga Puja in Mumbai. So that's the way you have done.
No, see, you know what? Earlier when it started, it wasn't in such a grand scale. Those days it started off more like a small Ghar Ka Puja. Ghar Ka Puja
but still people would gather.
I mean, obviously when I wasn't born then, but I associated much later.
Okay.
I've been active for the last 30 years. Before that, when it started. So gradually now it's become a corporate event kind of. It's huge.
The sponsors and all that.
And see, ऐसे भी पहले दुर्गा पूजा इतने होते भी कहाँ थे. अब आप देखो तो I don't know how many pujas we have.
I think every part of Mumbai has
50-60 पूजा तो होंगे. ज़्यादा ही होंगे.
But you all are the pioneers, I can say.
Yes, in a way. We are the one at Bandra, Tejpal Hall, Shivaji Park. I think Chembur का भी पूजा बहुत पुराना है. Then later on your Pawai and all got up. Abhijit Da started in a big way. Abhijit Da singer.
So you all have an entire the film industry which comes to your puja.
Yeah, the who's who of, you know, one thing is I must mention this. The industry का कोई ऐसा बंदा नहीं है जो इस पूजा में शायद नहीं आया है. And especially in the singers category, I think everybody has sung on that stage. Okay. And they have been successful. ये बहुत जागृत पूजा है. And I'm proud to be associated with the
जागृत part of it. Because see, हम लोग पूजो साल में एक बार होता है. दुर्गा माँ को जो वहाँ पर लाया जाता है, तो जागरूक जो वो है, people have to understand the essence of that. But I'm going to a little
बिल्कुल
shift to what we're talking.
देखिए, I'll be honest about one thing. As far as the rituals are concerned, मैं उतना उसमें घुसता नहीं हूँ. मैं पुष्पांजलि दे देता हूँ. थोड़ा मेरा सबसे जागरूक for me, to be honest, जो सबसे अच्छा मुझे लगता है इस पूजा का is we feed over 3,000 people a day.
Wow.
And I think you have also come for the bhog.
Yes, I have been.
So the way we serve bhog, I don't think anybody does that.
Lovely.
I mean the entire hall and it's a pleasure. I mean वो दुर्गा माता का नाम लेके भोग सर्व करना. एक टाइम पे तो हम खुद करते थे. आजकल तो लोग आ गए. You have caterers, and because obviously people are much more. Yeah, it is one of the most prominent pujas. I would invite people to come and visit us. This year it's going to be at SVT College.
This time?
Yeah. In the venue.
Okay, so I think it's happening in October.
October
this year. One of the biggest puja to be seen in India. Very beautiful. Lot of amazing things happen.
Yeah, you have celebrities. You have like kind of very eminent people living like outside
the industry
from and outside the industry who are associated. I mean there are so many pillars who are like kind of supporting this entire kind of thing.
What is the kind of advice you would like to give to the next generation in terms of life and career?
पहले health बनाओ, career बन जाएगा. Career तो see, I did not say much about career. I think these kids are way ahead of us. हम लोग इतना सोचते नहीं थे.
अच्छा.
These kids are, I'm telling you, see, they are going ballistic in terms of IQ. इनका EQ जो emotional quotient है ना, वो मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा कम हो रहा है.
So उसे क्या करना चाहिए?
Emotional quotient तभी बढ़ेगा जब आप लोगों से मिलो, उनसे बात करो, interact in person. Podcast देखो, हमारा podcast देखो, ये सुनो.
Because I think that is necessary. I think probably the communication with age groups has changed. So they're probably in their age group because, as I said, the nani or dadi is not at home anymore.
Absolutely.
Social
See,
structure.
lot of kids are not aware of mythology. बहुत जन को बहुत कुछ पता नहीं. हम लोग तो बचपन में भी अमर चित्र कथा पढ़ के चंदा मामा पढ़ के कुछ तो absorb करते थे. I don't think our kids are really aware of anything. See, patterns भी बदल गए हैं यार आजकल. I mean, how many people are named like us? Kamla, Shiladitya, ये सब आजकल तो Ahan. The names also they sound like Greek words. Which is like तो वो pattern ही अलग हो रहा है. It's good, right?
So what's the kind of advice? As you said, one is make sure that you meet people rather than just being on the phone or something. Meet people. What else?
Meet people.
Career wise क्या बोलना चाहिए आप?
Career wise तो they already know what to do.
अच्छा,
Oh yes. Career wise I have no advice to kids. उल्टा मुझे तो लगता है कि I wish we can take a leaf out of their life. Because nowadays people, these kids especially, by the time they are 15, 16, they have already decided. और आजकल एक advantage, they have, and ज़्यादातर बच्चे तो मेरे तो जितने जान पहचान के हैं, they all settle like flying the nest. जो देखो आप every guy is taking a flight to UK, USA, सब ये करके फिर एक बार चले जाते हैं, फिर कुछ आते हैं नहीं आते हैं. हालांकि वापस आना भी जरूरी है इनका. हमें तो ऐसा लगता है यार, because you are losing out on assets. Such brilliant
yes. I think our country needs those assets, and India has a lot of future.
Absolutely.
It has a lot of future. I think those who are going out, learn and come back and give it back to the country.
तो आप उनको ऐसे amenities दो, उनको भी कुछ लगता है. Because see, what happens is when you go abroad and all, obviously lifestyle अलग है. वो उसमें वो फंस जाते हैं.
देखो population के अलावा I think अपने country में scope बहुत है, बहुत ज़्यादा.
अब as we talk, believe you me, that's what I've been given to understand. A lot of kids, I know as a matter of fact, some people in my building also. There's this guy who recently came back, returned from UK. तो opportunities वही बोल रहे हैं कि आज वहाँ पे और यहाँ पे in terms of pay parity वगैरह कहीं पे match हो रही है. They're looking up to things. So yeah, if India has a lot of things to provide, get into it. क्यों नहीं करना? अपना देश है अभी.
आपका ये जो present जो कर रहे हो उसके बारे में एक सवाल है. Would you have some insights from your experience of sales and TV जो आप करते थे? What challenges and opportunities did you encounter? Just quickly, I'm jumping the question from what.
The opportunities were huge because I was always associated with big names. Like I said, I never had to struggle. Struggle थोड़ा बहुत digital में initially करना पड़ा था because I remember, I started. WhatsApp marketing and all these things, through your SMS and all these things.
You were
one of the first guys. There was this company I was associated with, and we got into it. तो तभी वो SMS marketing वगैरह होता था. It had a very nascent stage. तो उस टाइम पे बहुत अच्छा चला. फिर तो धीरे-धीरे ट्रांजिशन तो अलग ही हो गया. अब तो अलग ही जमाना है. तो वो एक फेज था जहाँ पे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा था. But otherwise, in terms of work for the best of kind of companies, तो वैसे तो ठीक ही था. See, end of the day, you are as strong as your product.
Okay.
ये कहीं पे भी कोई अगर बैठ के बोले कि यार आज तो मैंने इसको ये किया, नो, ये गलत है. पहले प्रोडक्ट आता है. अगर आपका पोटेंशियल है उसमें, तभी आपका कदर होगा.
Right.
I'll be blatant. I know a lot of people, they place themselves before the product. I have done that. No, it's not like that. You have put in the efforts, you have done it. लेकिन product अगर उसमें potential नहीं है तो आप क्या करोगे? So that way I've been very fortunate that I've always worked for companies which were established, where we were welcome. Sales wasn't a struggle like the way it is today. आजकल ज़माना बहुत बदल गया है.
So you mean आपको लग रहा है कि sales अभी थोड़ा
बहुत प्रेशर है बच्चों पे यार, बहुत प्रेशर. अरे हमारे टाइम में तो लोग मिलते थे, like again coming back to that, and I remember like जब हम कुछ बेचते थे तो हमको पता था कि भाई एक दो कॉल के अंदर पता चलता था where the deal is heading. Nowadays तो लोगों का अपॉइंटमेंट मिलने में 2-3 महीने लग जाता.
So the multiple ways of connecting people, Zoom है,
टेक्नोलॉजी और गड़बड़ कर दिया मेरे को लगता है. ये सब होने के बावजूद भी इट्स नॉट जस्ट द ह्यूमन टच यार. देखो ना, टेक्नोलॉजी होने के बावजूद भी आर वी ऑल वेरी काइंड ऑफ into it. तो इसके बाद भी हम बहाने मारते हैं कि भाई टाइम है नहीं है, मिस किया कॉल नहीं किया, बिजी क्या लेके इतना बिजी रहते हैं पता नहीं, लेकिन है बट प्रेशर है या देयर इज ट्रेमेंडस प्रेशर बिकॉज जितना आपका ये फ्रैगमेंट होते जाएगा, अब आप एजेंसीज का ही ले लो, मैं उस दिन मैं देख रहा था वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोमिनेंट एजेंसीज, कितने डिविजन और सब डिविजन होते हैं, तो कभी लगता है कौन क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे, कुछ तो कर रहे होंगे बट लाइक आई सेड अगेन आई थिंक आई हैव ओल्ड स्कूल ऑफ थॉट, मेरे बच्चों को ज्यादा पता होगा।
आप एक्टर रह चुके हो, so being an actor and आप अभी भी एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, in the early days from your acting, what are your favorite memories? कुछ ऐसे बताओ ना।
As an actor?
As an actor?
No, there's nothing much to write about. I have not really done too many shows. थोड़े बहुत ठीक है। एक अच्छा एक वो महाराजा रंजीत सिंह बोल के एक शो आ रहा था।
आ रहा था, it was already on.
No, it was on. Unfortunately, I don't know. They could not garner the ratings and all. So we had to go off air. That was one thing I was quite kicked about. Again, acting is a struggle though. I mean, it's not that I'm flooded with offers or something like that. Maybe nowadays you have youngsters also, who are playing older roles. So probably they had advantage there. But ठीक है, ये एक struggle है, but no regrets again. I mean, it's not that I'm dependent on this as such. I'm enjoying this space also. Like, ठीक है, I'm doing it at my own pace. God has been kind.
Since you said this, the entire shift has happened to the present generation about media marketing and all that. So, do you suggest some key strategies to people? ये करो तो कुछ ये ऐसा होगा, जैसे you have been in the beginning of like the WhatsApp marketing and all that, but अभी looking to like for the youngsters, is there any ways to improve their digital presence? Their people like us also who are doing a podcast. तो कुछ ऐसी चीजें होनी चाहिए बिजनेस इंप्रूव करने के कुछ तरीके।
मैं बिजनेस इंप्रूव का पता नहीं, मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलना चाहूंगा जो मैंने ये किया। See, nowadays the kids are looking at very quick gratification. In the sense they are moving from job to job too early. But see, lot of people call up and यार वो नौकरी छोड़ के निकल गए। At least 4-5 साल एक जगह निकालो, थोड़ा experience लो।
So ads of today's generation or the yesteryears, what do you relate to more as a consumer or as a professional in the industry? What do you relate?
Creative definitely has changed quite a lot, though I don't follow too much of ads, I'll be honest, because I am no longer in that frame of, like when I was into television ad sales, I used to monitor, but now creatives were better, they were more relatable. Television ads मैं ज़्यादा बोल नहीं पाऊँगा, I'll be honest.
But anything which strikes you at this present moment कि ad कुछ ऐसा कुछ भी देखा है like कि
आजकल तो see options are opened up ना for a creative. See, it's not just television. You have social media, you have the SME search engines इतने आ गए हैं, आप reels के जरिए आप promote करो, influencers आ गए हैं इतने सारे. So the entire gamut has changed. It's very difficult to kind of pinpoint के contribution किससे exactly आ रहा है.
You've been in the industry. You come from a family which belongs to the film industry. ऐसी कोई बात है, ऐसी कोई चीज है जो आपको लगता है कि is something very very special for people, मतलब in terms of a show, movie.
Growing up stage में जो एक landmark movie वो which like I don't know how many times I've seen it, Sholay. That's something, I mean,
it still works across generations.
Absolutely, I mean, you can actually make that into a web series.
Okay.
Like गब्बर का एक पोर्शन हो गया, ठाकुर हर एक की एक कहानी, उसका छोड़ो, मतलब वो धन्नो घोड़ी and क्या लाए हो धोलिया, you remember the name of villages. I don't think ऐसी कोई फिल्म बनी है।
तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट बढ़ा सकते हैं, ये कॉन्सेप्ट को बढ़ा सकते हैं।
तो मैं ऐसे ही कह रहा हूँ, कोई अगर वेब सीरीज बनाए शोले पे तो बात है।
बहुत बढ़िया बात है।
That is one movie I feel can, because so कालिया एक कैरेक्टर है, सांबा एक कैरेक्टर है, अब सबको एक आप बैकड्रॉप दे दो, मेक अ वेब सीरीज।
छोटा कैरेक्टर, yes, I mean it's a wonderful।
कौन सी फिल्म आप मेरे को बोलो, तेरा क्या होगा कालिया, या कितने आदमी थे, सांबा मैकमोहन had one line,
right, and that become iconic
means we as kids only, we had the long plays of Sholay records, and I think वो largest selling record था उस जमाने में। तो आज आप एडवर्टाइजिंग बोलो ये बोलो, आई थिंक एवरीबडी हैज टेकन अ लीफ फ्रॉम शोले, आई मीन यू नेम इट,
अच्छा
बीट रेडियो एनीवेयर, गब्बर जैसा विलन आज तक नहीं हुआ है। अब बताओ मेरे को गब्बर सिंह के बाद।
बट आपको लगता है ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हैं लोग? You can think of a web series because you just
गाली गलौज गब्बर सिंह गाली देगा माँ पे उठा के
that happens on how they put it together.
और डाक बना देगा उसको, ह्यूमर एलिमेंट रहेगा नहीं, उंगलियां काटते वो हाथ काटते जो दिखाया वो असली में दिखा देगा सही सही। People are getting into that kind of thing. That's quite disturbing. I quite forwarded or something. The graphics, I'm not in for at all. I don't know how people.
The gory graphics.
I'm not into it, boss. This is not done.
There has to be some sense into it.
नहीं तो वही ना, coming back to it, because ये एक आपका window है. See, end of the day, OTT and net, this is like kind of, it is justified as a personal viewing pattern. ये आप फैमिली के साथ नहीं देख रहे हो तो आप उसमें कुछ भी डालो, बट नाउ टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग, आई फील थोड़ा रेस्पॉन्सिबल होना पड़ेगा। See, I'll be very honest, I've come across shows where you have big actors and they are also abusing, not done here. तो तुम गाली गलौज पे उतर रहे हो तो फिर क्या क्या होगा? Not done. माँ बहन उठा के गाली देना ये not done. I'm not into that. Though I've been a movie buff all through my life. मैं तो बड़ा हुआ फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट शो देख के। अगर हम लोग में ये होता था यार पहले दिन पे अगर फिल्म नहीं देखी तो क्या देखेंगे? Today I am not concerned. Today however big a film OTT पे आ जाएगा देख लेंगे।
With so much of experience what you have, क्या प्लान है आगे, क्या करना है? एक तो अभी फिटनेस पे आप
फिटनेस रखना है या आई एम ट्राइंग टू देखो ये एक्टिंग ही परस्यू करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बातें चल रही हैं, लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस, बट या अगेन लाइक आई सेड इट शुड बी समथिंग, सी द लेंथ ऑफ द रोल दैट डजंट मैटर, इट शुड बी रिस्पेक्टफुल, ऑब्वियसली एक लेगेसी है, बाबा का नाम है, तो मैं कुछ ऐसा नहीं करना चाहता हूँ जिसको देख के लोग बोले यार नहीं करना है, और जरूरत भी नहीं है करने की। आई मीन गॉड हैज बीन वेरी काइंड।
Sheeladitya Banerjee sir, it's been so wonderful talking to you and with so much of information and detail you have.
I wish I would have thrown more light had I known. I mean, it's an honor that you called me here and it's my first podcast. I'm loving it.
No,
I mean, all I could do is probably put in whatever came from within.
There's so much of things that you have shared and it's so informative. Thank you so much. And it's such a pleasure having you on the show. Thanks you so much.
And wish you all the best for this podcast.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
If you like this episode of Who's on Air, make sure that you like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.